So in this video, you're going to learn how to verify a website with Google Search Console for WordPress. Guys, it's really easy. So if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay till the end, guys. It's really easy. If you want to go to Google Search Console, just type Google Search Console. And the best way to verify your site with Google is go on plugins, add new. Just click on Yoast. Install Yoast. Click on activate. And then once it's activated, click on Yoast, general. So Webmaster Tools. And then it says Google verification code. Just click over here. And then what you could do is domain name provider, or else the best thing would be take the HTML tag, because you could just directly paste it. There are different ways you could do it, but this is the most easiest way. HTML tag. Just copy the whole thing, copy it, and then just paste it over here and save changes. And voila guys, you are done. And then if I just verify it and see, this is done. So this is how you add your website to Google Search Console. And one more bonus I would give you is how to add your sitemap XML. So when you go back on Yoast, click on features, and then as you could see, this is XML. Just click over here, see the sitemap XML, and this is your sitemap XML. So basically this will help Google index your website really fast. Just copy this thing. Okay, if you cannot find your sitemap index file, just copy, add this to the end of your domain name, go to sitemaps, just paste it and submit, and boom. So you just have to refresh it, wait for a while, and as you could see, I just refreshed it right now, and it's a success. And congratulations, now you know how to verify your website with Google Search Console. And if you really like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like button. And also a bonus for you is I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instructions, and on top of that, it will tell you how you could optimize your website to rank #1 in Google, and how to make security, and it's everything in detail. So the link is down in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, and Yawar Khan signing off.